Hello everybody, this is Ananya. I'm studying 4th year BNYS from SVSA University. Continuing the Find Your Calm series, today we will be practicing MSRT technique. Let me just share the slides. MSRT, that is Mind Sound Resonance Technique. MSRT is one of the advanced yoga-based mindful relaxation technique that involves experiencing the internal vibrations and resonance developed while chanting a Uma and Omkara and also Mahamrityunjay mantra. Before we get into the practice, I need you to keep in mind few instructions. Wear comfortable loose clothing. Sit comfortably in a place where there is good ventilation. Surroundings must be silent. Concentrate on your breath. Do not wear any ornaments or accessories. Keep your eyes closed throughout the practice. Let us begin the practice. Let us begin the practice with starting prayer. Chant with me. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiv Bandhanat Mrityormukshamamritaat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let us contemplate on the meaning of this prayer. We offer our salutation to the three-eyed Lord for increasing the vitality and fragrance in us, to release us from the bondage of death as effortlessly as a ripe cucumber falls out of its creeper automatically. Let us move on to the next step. Let us chant A, U, Makara and Omkara loudly. A, U and Makara chanted aloud, adjusting the frequency of chant to match the natural frequency of the body. Let us start. Inhale. Repeat again. Inhale. Let us chant one more time. Inhale. Feel the vibrations created with a Uma chanting. Let us repeat this same method, but we will chant in our mind. Inhale and chant in your mind. Inhale again, repeat the process. Let us repeat the chanting one more time. Chant a Umakara in your mind. Feel the vibrations. Feel the resonance that you created with the chanting of a Umakara. Let us move on to the third step. Let us chant Mahamrityunjaya mantra for 3 times. Inhale, chant with me. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् ऊर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् ऊर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् ऊर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् Feel the vibration spread throughout the body from one part to other. Feel the resonance. Let us chant Mahamrityunjaya mantra in the mind for 3 times. Inhale, repeat it 2 more times. Let us chant one more time in the mind. Feel the wave of resonance spread throughout the body. Now, moving on to the next step, I want you to chant a Umakara as we did in the first step in your mind for 9 times. Inhale, start chanting. Once you're done, experience the merging with the infinite sky in the initial practices. Feel the waves of a Umakara coming up and spreading throughout the body and diffusing into silence spontaneously and effortlessly. Now, we will be chanting a Umakara once loudly and once in your mind alternatively. Inhale. Aum. Inhale, chant in your mind. Inhale, chant loudly. Aum. Inhale, chant in your mind. Inhale, chant loudly. Inhale and chant in your mind. Inhale, chant loudly. Inhale, chant in your mind. Inhale for the last time and chant loudly. Aum. Now feel the vibrations. Feel the waves spreading throughout the body, diffusing into the silence naturally and effortlessly. Feel the state of bliss. Enjoy the silence. Moving on, let us take a resolve, a positive thought into your mind. It should be short and affirmative. Let it be precise, positive, and in continuous present tense. Repeat the resolve 9 times for maximum effectiveness. Contemplate on your resolve. Let us end this session with a closing prayer. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखात् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Thank you.